I recently tried out the Vivore Airless Paint Sprayer, and I have mixed feelings. First off, it's a really compact and budget-friendly sprayer, which is appealing if you just need something for small projects or occasional DIY painting. The motor is 650 W, which can push up to 2,900 psi, and you can adjust the pressure from 500 all the way to 2,900 psi. That's handy if you're switching between a big wall, some furniture, or smaller trim work. Another nice thing is that it can handle both latex and oil-based paints straight from the can, so you don't have to do any complicated thinning or prep. It also comes with an extension rod and a cleaning kit, which is always appreciated. You don't want to spend more time cleaning than painting. That said, I have to be honest about the downsides. Some people, myself included, have had units arrive with leaks or broken parts right out of the box. It sprays water fine, which makes it feel promising, but once you add actual paint, that's when the flaws tend to show up. Performance is a bit of a lottery. You might get a sprayer that works like a charm, or you might end up dealing with clogs, inconsistent spray, or parts that fail pretty quickly. Honestly, I'd say this is best for occasional DIY painters who don't mind a little gamble, or anyone doing weekend projects where a cheaper tool is appealing. It's not something I'd recommend for professionals or anyone who needs to rely on it for heavy-duty, everyday work. Think of it as a hit-or-miss tool, sometimes surprisingly effective, sometimes frustrating, but if you get one that works well, it can be really handy.